Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I have missed you all so much, and I have missed creating content. I am so sorry. I'm like in and out of the YouTube trenches. But I hope to make it up to you guys, for every single one of you that has been patient when it comes to waiting for my content. For today's video, I have for you guys a sneaker review. A sneaker that I've been having for a couple of days now. I did unbox it and everything, but I had not had the chance to make a video about it, so here we go. So for today we have a Nike Dunk High. As you guys can see here, we have the beautiful red Nike box. So now, as you guys may know by now, I love me some Nike dunks, highs, lows, SBs, just whatever kind of dunk. I just love it. And these right here, I tried to cop for retail, but I couldn't, unfortunately. So I had to pay resale, but it wasn't much of a difference that I paid. I'll show you somewhere on the screen how much I ended up paying with shipping, and it wasn't bad at all, so no complaints whatsoever. And the main reason why I needed these is because mustard yellow is my favorite color of all times. If you guys did not know that, now you guys know. So here are the shoes. Really beautiful sneaker. I have not worn these, and I will wait until I have a very special outfit or occasion to pull these out and unds them. But for now, they'll stay on my shoe wall, which soon, just wait a couple more days. I'll show you guys what I have in mind for that project. But let's put these to the side just for a moment. I do have the Stockx confirmation here. Let me see if I can. Alrighty. Here you have the Stockx receipt, and as you guys can see, I paid 186 with 71. So these would have been probably about 125 or so shipped, with tax and all that good stuff. So I really didn't pay that much over retail, and I don't mind paying this type of prices. Now, pulling one of the shoes out, we also see the Stockx verification tag, which by now most of us know these can be faked. So anyways, these right here, first impression, when I got them, they had this very strong smell, and it wasn't much of like a glue smell. It was a different type of pretty bad smell. So here we have the toe box, really nice. The other side of the shoe, and we have the back. I'm just telling you, when Nike put these colors together, they knew what they were doing, because I am a huge fan of this shoe right here. And I think this one looks way better in the low, pardon me, in the highs. So if they were to do lows of this specific shoe here, I would not be copying. I would say the highs are my way to go. Now, one thing I did notice was a couple of glue stains that I'm not sure if I'll be able to catch on camera. But okay, right here there's one. Then we have a few what seem to be scuffs, but aren't apparently, not sure. And then another good thing is just the leather quality. As you guys can see, it's really soft, really nice. And I'm a huge fan of that. Just preferences. I mean, you guys can maybe not like it, but I actually do. The bad thing about that type of leather is that it creases somewhat easy when you walk. So I used to like putting sneaker shields in the toe box of all my shoes, but number one, it's very pricey when you have a huge sneaker collection like I do. And the second thing is, you have to always buy half size bigger than your shoe so that it doesn't fit so snug. And I didn't like the idea of having my entire collection being half size bigger than what my actual size is. So as of now, I'm just kind of like YOLO, you know, just wear the sneakers, and if they get messed up, then sell them, buy them again, or just buy a different one. So it's kind of what I'm doing now. And in case I did not show it, which I think I didn't, my apologies. Here is the box label. As you guys can see, retail was $110. This is a size 7.5 women, which is a size 6 in men's, European 39. Pardon me, European 38.5. Anyways, let me know down below what you guys think of today's review. Would you buy this sneaker for the price that I bought it for? Would you have bought it for retail, or did you call for retail? So let me know down in the comments. Again, thanks so much for everybody who keeps watching my videos. I am so sorry that I've been absent, but please understand, the wait is almost over. I hope to get back on my schedule, posting 2 times per week as I have usually done. And hopefully next year, 2022, I'm able to post 3 times a week. And the 3rd video will be how to style videos. I really like the idea of producing that kind of content. I have just been too shy of experimenting on that area, but hopefully next year, you know, we'll knock out those boundaries. So I'll catch you guys in next week's video. Yes, I have more videos to film for you guys, and you guys do not want to miss. I have some fire rep designer clothes from DHgate that you guys, I will see you all in my Instagram DMs, okay? Catch you in the next one.